Hey, what up? Oh, shit, it's stupid.
What's up, guys? I'm Nick of NL Vintage Gaming. Follow me for weekly giveaways and the best retro gaming finds.
Yeah, that's why we do these. Now, can you hear me? Check, check. Mic, check. Can we hear? Testing, testing. Why do I not hear anything on the tube? There we go. There's a bit of a delay on the YouTube. That's like a 10-second delay. Looking, you should be able to hear me now. There we go. There's a pretty good delay. All right, all right, all right. It's all right. We got it in here. We in here now. We getting it. We getting it. Just me and you, Bella, or what? It's gonna be us hanging out in here. Shoot, let me know when you guys get in
I
the chat
guess
here.
so. Mm. There was 17 people interested in the class. Let's see who's on the YouTube. I mean, we can give them a few minutes if you want.
Oh yeah, no, I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. I'm just checking out my YouTube
Yeah,
stuff.
me
So
too. I appreciate you for this because boy, has it been rough.
yep. No, definitely. I know I know how hard it is. That's why I've been trying to make these videos and stuff to help everybody out.
Right. Hi, Lala.
Buenos días.
Good morning, y'all.
Hi.
How's it going?
Whiny motherfucking man.
Bella,
There we
Bella.
go. People are starting to join in now.
You know we
Oh yeah,
always
you got a big delay.
Who, me?
Yeah, the YouTube's got a huge. Yeah, the YouTube's got a huge delay. I don't know why. I was just streaming on Twitch like I don't know, 30 minutes ago, and it's like a couple seconds. YouTube's way behind.
I can't. Do you have chat set up? Why can't I see?
Yeah, you should be able to chat.
Oh, I have to sign in. Durr.
Oh, there's somewhere I need to go to.
No. I'm gonna stream it live here, but I have it streaming live to YouTube too.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, I'm just gonna stream it live to my stream, so it's there, just so it's anybody can check it out if they want to later.
I have to use the restroom. Please don't
No
start.
problem.
I'll be
Oh,
right
yeah,
back.
you're good. Yeah, you're
2
good.
seconds.
There we go. Got it pulled up. Hey, Wicked, how you doing today?
Doing good, doing good. How you doing, man?
Pretty great, man. Excited for this course. It sounds like you got a lot of goodies in store.
Oh yeah. It was supposed to be more of like a vote system. Like you guys vote on which topic you wanted to cover, and it just kind of got balled into there. So we'll just cover like a topic and just kind of, you guys got questions, we can cover whatever. So if you guys got something specific you need help with, we can just dive into that. Or if you guys want, if you guys just want to cover just like a basics of something, then we can just cover the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm into it all. Right now, I'm actually I just got a stream deck, so I'm kind of excited about that portion because it's completely unused right now. So
Nice,
That's
yeah.
let's see.
Sage's class. I think her
Sage.
moderation class. She's going over the whole stream deck.
Yeah, if
Okay,
you
I'll be there.
my YouTube's got like 4 videos, I think, from a basic setup of the stream deck all the way to what I use mine for.
Okay, bet. Let me get your YouTube link in the chat if you could.
Yeah, of course. Let me grab it here.
Perfect.
It's also in the regular SP sip and tea chat. I can't get my words out.
And
Wani.
if you have a Discord for dummies such as myself, that'll be greatly appreciated.
I don't have like
Yeah, I need one of
like
those.
how to use Discord necessarily. I do have one that shows you how to make a Discord, which you would kind of learn how to use it as you're doing that. But we can definitely cover like.
Yeah, I think mine's are more so technical questions as a.
Yeah. No, if you have any questions, I'll help you out.
Thanks for the link. I got you subbed up now.
Thank you.
Check some
Yeah,
of
it's
those
in the. I
videos
put it
out.
in the voice chat there. The voice chat, text chat. There we go. We got 2 Dope Entertainment in the chat and Captain in the chat. We got Chief in the chat.
Wani.
What's up, Bella?
I didn't go to sleep.
Oh shit.
I know.
Oh man.
Get some coffee ASAP.
I know. I'm okay.
Just give it a few more minutes, see if anybody dives in here. Just kind of hang out. So
You
what
went
are
to
you trying to
work.
figure out on Discord? Like what kind of stuff are you trying to figure out on Discord?
Oh, sorry. Basically, I think my internet connection is extremely poor. So whenever I'm trying to do a display capture, such as what you're doing right now, it glitches a lot, especially when I'm trying to broadcast like a show or a movie or things like that. So I'm just trying to figure out the technical aspects of what I should be streaming at a 720 or 1080. Is my computer not strong enough to be able to capture that type of image? So it's kind of like a deep dive, kind of more technical, if anything.
Yeah, so definitely want to be in 720 for sure. Just because if you're already having the issues, definitely want to be on the 720 side of it because that'll obviously just make it easier for your computer to handle. But then the other thing that works on it too is it also depends on your internet. So if you're trying to stream out, you have to have more upload side. So a lot of people don't like if you have like a lower internet, like if you have like Comcast offers like a 200 meg internet package, that's your download speed that they talk about, right? But they don't talk about how
Right.
much upload you have. So if you're
Upload,
trying to
exactly.
stream out, so like I know like the Comcast like 200 package. Sorry, I got a bunch of people message me out of nowhere. I haven't had literally anybody message me all day, and then now it's blown up. Um, but yeah, so like your uploads, so like I know like Comcast, like if you have the 200 down, you only have like maybe 8 up. And to stream to Twitch in 1080 at 60 frames, it takes I think it's like 7.5 just to stream. That doesn't include you playing your game or anything else.
Right.
And so if you look in here when you go to stream, you can pick the 720 option, but then you can also go into your settings. You guys should be able to see that, right?
Yep.
You can go down into your voice and video, and there are options to where's it at in here? So the encoders here. So they've actually added some new stuff in here. This is new.
Yeah.
But so this is off your graphics card if it's turned on, or it runs off of your CPU if it's turned off. So like me, I have a better CPU than a graphics card, so I have it running off my CPU because my CPU can take more. I have so I'm running a Ryzen 9 5900X, and then I have a 2080 Super for my graphics card. So I'm running it off my CPU. But if I were to turn it on, it would run better off my graphics. That's just helping Discord run better on your computer. So if you can tweak these settings to make it run better on your computer, it'll take a little bit less stress off your computer to help with being able to stream.
Mm. Okay.
But yeah,
Okay. Because right now Turtle is turning my internet. So that's why my speeds are so slow.
oh,
So I
okay.
figured
Turtle.
that was probably what the problem was. Is the turtle is not moving as fast as I want him to go.
Yeah, definitely. The internet speeds is gonna make a big difference over it, just because like I said, the upload speeds is what a lot of people don't notice. Like they see, okay, I have enough downloads, so I can stream my TV shows, I can play my game, I can download whatever I want to download. But the not a lot of people realize the outbound because not a lot of people use it.
Understood. That makes a lot of sense now. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Let's see. So it looks like we got. Just go ahead and get started covering some stuff here. So you guys have anything specifically? I know one of you guys was talking about a stream deck. Anything kind of specifically you want to cover?
I
Since this
have
is only the
trouble with commands,
commands.
but I
Okay.
mean, not like basic commands, like the one I watched your video and stuff, and that just covers the basic commands. I'm talking about like the commands that like if you're watching somebody stream and somebody hits a command and like let's use Trippy for instance. You know how sometimes he'll have the it's like it's a channel point, but I think he has it set up to where it pops up on his channel where it shows him his picture with a rat. Certain things like that, like I'm struggling trying to figure out how to set those things up
Yeah.
on my
So
channel.
you're talking about something like this here. Let me go to mine real
And
quick.
then like another command would be something like I
So
can't think right
you're
now. I'm
talking
having a
about
brain fart.
like this. I don't know if it'll do it because I'm on his, but let's see.
Let
Let
me see.
me,
Is it,
let me turn the music off. There we go. So if you look at, it won't play because I'm hosting him. But basically, I have a video that'll come, like a video that'll pop up. So if you type exclamation point Wicked IT in my chat, it actually pulls a video. I can
Do it
show
in
you that.
OBS. It might work.
I can't because I'm streaming to YouTube from OBS.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mm.
That's why I'm trying to figure out a way to show it. So essentially, if you type exclamation point Wicked IT, this video right here pops onto my screen and it'll play the video. Or if you type in whatever command I had, this was what I used to show off how to make the video, so I didn't actually add it. But I could add a command for this, and it would play the sound alert with just using a command, no points needed. Or you can set it so this is a way that you can have channel points if you're not affiliate. You can actually make them cost Stream Elements points, and then that's how you can get like so you're when they're basically in your chat talking. Stream Elements will actually give them points if you have the loyalty set up. And so this is a breakdown of how they earn points. And then it's just like your channel points for Twitch, but you can use them in at any level. Like you don't have to be affiliated essentially. What's up, Big OG? Thank you for coming in, man.
Welcome, welcome.
Big OG, we're in the certified classes. If you go down to the certified support section, we're in the voice chat. But yeah, no, so we can kind of cover this over because this is actually a really nice topic for especially new people to have to be able to have the interactions without being affiliated for channel points.
Let me see, because there's something that I want exactly, and and another thing that I struggle with is the for instance, the I love chat and the you know how it pops up in your in certain streamers chats or whatever.
I don't think I know which one you're talking about.
It looks like I'm trying to pull up somebody's page that I know for sure he has it.
Yeah, for this one here, if you go into Stream Elements, if you don't have Stream Elements already set up, when you get to the main page, you would just sign in with your Twitch, and then there's this spot on the top right here where it says bot settings, and you'll be able to add the bot to your channel, and then you just have to make the bot a moderator. And then once you do that, the Stream Elements is set up for the basic portion of it. And then you would come into loyalty right here, and then come down to the loyalty settings and turn this on. And then, so from here, you can say, you can name the points, whatever you want to name them. You can say how many points they get for watching, when they tip, when they follow, all the different stuff. And then, so this is how you would interact with the channel points section of mine are all free just because, I mean, let them play, you know? But then you would go into the stream store, and this is where you would add. So like how you're talking about if you want like a gift to pop up, like if you want like a rat to pop up, or if you want like hearts to pop up or whatever. So you would just go with create new item in the top here. And then it's going to be under the stream perks, and you can name it hearts. And then description you can do if you need. I do mine all at no cost, like I said. And then you want the item quantity to be -1 because you're not selling anything, so you want to have an unlimited quantity of use. And then you can set the cooldowns here if you need to. And then you just hit next and go over. And then here's where you would put your picture. So if you want it to have a sound when they play, you'll upload a sound. And then if you want a picture, you'll just go ahead and put it in the alert. So if you click here, you can see I have my picture here already. You can hit the upload button in the corner to upload a new picture. And then if you don't want to upload, like if you don't want to, you can do videos, you can do sounds or images. So you can do any of them. And then once you have this submitted, so we'll submit. Here, you want to say that it shows an alert. And then you want to make sure you have it redeemable via chat. And then your item command. So we'll name it. Yep, you're good.
You're moving way too fast for me.
I have a whole entire video on it, but yeah, we'll definitely get it going for sure.
I got you. Okay, I got you. I'm on it. So I see what you're saying. You can continue. Sorry.
Yep. Oh no, you're fine. You're perfectly fine. That's what this is for. But yeah, so then your item command, you're gonna label it hearts or whatever you want it to be. And then you can see they have the command right here for you. It's already at the bottom. So if you just copy this command right here, and then we're gonna change where it says command, we'll change to hearts. We'll change to this. But we're gonna go ahead and hit next and then save. And it's gonna make
show me what
just hit next and save. Yeah.
Okay.
You'll just hit next and save.
And can you show me like what it would what it would show on the actual stream?
Yeah,
Is there any
so
way to show me that?
that's where we're going here. So now you'll go into your streaming tools and go to my overlays,
Mhm.
and you need to add a store one. So you can, I have mine separated because I use them for different things. I don't want to have them all combined to one. Because like what I have on this page, I don't necessarily want on that page. So I made just a new one called store. So if you go new overlay, and I use mine in 1080, I'm gonna just rename it test up here on the top left. And then you're gonna add with the plus button right here. And then you're gonna add the alert store redemption.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove the image here. And we're gonna remove the sound because I don't want it to play whatever the default is. And then we'll hit save in the top corner.
Mhm.
And then you'll copy the URL and add a browser link in your OBS. So this little copy link right here.
Mhm.
And then you'll add a browser source in your OBS and you'll put it on your OBS wherever you want the image to pop up.
And does this work for Streamlabs as well?
Yeah, you just put it in a browser source.
Okay,
Yep,
cool.
yeah, as long as you can put it in a browser source. And then so that'll set up so the store sets up the what you want. This sets up where it's gonna play, and then I'll show you where to set up the chat to make it actually happen.
Okay.
So then once you make that browser source, we'll go back to your main Stream Elements page. And then I gotta go here real quick because I copied the URL by mistake. 1 second. Edit. I'll grab this command again. And then now you'll go into your chat bot and your chat commands.
Mhm.
And then we're gonna go custom commands and then add a new command. And so this command is gonna be actually let me just go to my other one so I don't have to set the full thing up. Here we are. So this is what I have. So under the commands, when you create a new command, I just labeled it Wicked IT because that's what I want them to type. If you want them to type hearts, if you want them to type love, you can have them type whatever you want. And then I made it so everybody can use it. And then right here in the response, what I did is I pasted that command that I told you to copy from the store. And then I changed it to the command name. So we made one called hearts. So I would change where it says command to hearts and then hit save.
Okay.
And then now when somebody's in your chat and they type exclamation point, whatever you said you wanted them to type, then that picture is going to show up as long as you have that browser source on the screen that you're on. So like if you don't want them playing it over your video game, like over your gaming, but you want them to be able to do it and you're just chatting, only put the browser source and you're just chatting, and then they can do it there, but they can't do it anywhere else.
Okay.
And then essentially, I don't know if I can make that one pop, but we can try. I don't know if that one will let me.
Yeah, just so I can see like if it's exactly what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it is, but
Oh, you know what? Here, I'll just do it this way. I'll just do this. Let's go. Stream setup. And which one is it? There we are. This one here.
I don't know if it's just me, but I only hear you right now, Wicked. I don't really
You
hear
don't.
you.
You don't hear me where in.
I only hear you. I don't hear Bella responding to you, so it seems weird.
Wanda,
Oh,
you can't hear me?
You don't hear in this
I
chat
hear her
or in
now.
the. Oh, okay.
No, I hear it now. That was weird.
I was talking low.
So if you look here, let me. There you go. So if you watch right here, you'll see it pop up. So I'll type exclamation point Wicked IT in the chat. You'll see it pop up over here.
Mm-hmm.
So here, so Wicked IT, and then it pops the video up right here in the corner. So you can make this a GIF, you can make it a sound alert, you can make it an image, you can make it whatever you want.
Okay.
Is that kind of what you were looking for?
Yeah, something similar to that. Basically, yeah, technically. I mean, if I
Yeah,
have
it
any
does
more
the whole
issues
job.
with that certain issue, then I'll probably reach out to you and see, like, what am I doing wrong or something like that.
Yeah, and the nice thing, like I said about this, is you can make as many commands as you need because you're just creating another. They're all going to play on the same overlay, so all you got to do is just
Hmm.
keep making more store items. So if you like, so you could have all kinds of different stuff in here that's all redeemable via chat commands. And like I said, that way, if you have a non-affiliate that doesn't have channel points yet, they can initialize the channel point system with the loyalty, and then make these actually cost points. And then now they
Hmm.
have channel points.
Okay.
And so it's a way to give interaction to channels that aren't big enough yet to have all that stuff. And then, like I said, you can just set them up as free, and then everybody has that access to them.
You said set it up as Oh, you're talking about. Okay, I got you.
Yeah, you can set them up as no cost, so that they're free, and all they have to do is just type the chat command, and anybody can play it, no cost whatsoever for points.
And will it show up in your channel points section, like
No, unfortunately, because it's through Stream Elements, it won't show like an actual like image there. They'll have to know the
Mhm.
commands. So as people use them, they'll get used to them. But you can always type exclamation point commands in your chat,
Mhm.
and it'll Stream Elements will put a link there where people can look at all of your chat commands.
Okay.
So like I said, and that's kind of, and as they see other people using it, they'll be like, oh, hey, let's check it out.
Mhm. Sorry, I'm trying to eat.
Oh no, you're good. You're good. You're good.
I appreciate you though.
Yeah, no, you're good. And so, Mac, you were needing some stream deck stuff.
Yeah, I'm completely like a novice at Stream Deck. I just actually downloaded it. I got a few of my OBS scenes on there, but I haven't actually found a good way to utilize it. I want, cool tools that I could use to make actual Twitch features on the Stream Deck like useful. Say like simple stuff like shout outs. I haven't figured that out yet. I was gonna take some time to look that up and like make certain things pop up. So any in general tools you think might be useful for someone just starting off with the Stream
Oh
Deck?
yeah, definitely, definitely. Like I said, I was gonna go over like a whole section of something, but because it's only the three in here, I didn't want to. I just figured we just hit directly on what you guys have questions about instead of just doing like one whole topic.
Yeah. And I'm not sure if anybody else has one here, so like I don't mind holding off, and that way we could have like a useful class for everybody.
Oh, no, I mean that's why I said it's only the three of you here. So whatever questions you guys got, I'll just cover what you guys have, and we'll call it good. If there was going to be like 17 in here, I think is what it was originally. So I was going to cover like one whole topic, like stream elements from start to finish. But
Mhm.
since it's only the three of you here, we'll just get what you guys need and get make it as useful to you guys.
Appreciate that, man.
But yeah, so here's what I use mine for mainly. This is my recording set where I do all my like my recording for my videos. And so basically the way I do mine is I record in 1080, but I only stream in 720. So in order for me to have, because I have two profiles in OBS, I have a 1080 and a 720 profile. In order for my
Hmm.
Stream Deck to work for each profile, I had to make two profiles on the Stream Deck. So you can see I have a button here where I can switch from one to the other.
Oh, the profiles.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So this is my street. This is what I use while I'm streaming, and this is what I use while I'm recording. And so it changes everything. Like I could have them set up completely different. I could have them set up the same, but this one works because like if you are using like you're talking about the scene switches. So if I go into my OBS, my overlays, and so my scene switches are a little different. I'll cover that in a minute. But essentially, if I go into my scene switch, if I use this scene switch and I'm in my 720 profile, but I'm streaming on 1080, it won't work because this is linked to the 720 profile. So for most people, you just use one profile because you don't have all the extra stuff.
Yeah. I don't even
But
record much, so
yeah, well, I don't stream a lot because I don't have the time. So I usually record my gameplay offline, so I can still make like highlight videos and stuff. Um, but basically, the main tools I use out of here, I downloaded all of the bar raider tools from for the plugins. So if you go up here to the top, this little blue plus, and then the plugins. How's it going? How's it going?
Doing good.
Very
I
nice.
think I
What are you
have
showing? You're
OBS
showing like
toolbar bar rater.
Streamlabs. You're showing like
Because it's only a
you're
few
showing, like,
people in
Stream
here, I was
Deck
just kind of
stuff.
covering whatever you needed. Yeah, this is Stream Deck right now. Yeah, because there's only a couple people in, I was just going to cover whatever topics you had. Because there wasn't as many people as there were originally, so I didn't want to bore everybody with like a whole class that you may not need. So I'm making it more detailed to whatever you guys need.
Hmm.
But
Have
so you
y'all
go to
ever
the
Have
plugins.
y'all ever done classes on like building a PC or something?
I can. I've built mine. I've actually rebuilt it like 3 times.
Oh, you took your PC apart and rebuilt it.
Yeah, because my motherboard went bad, so I tore it apart, rebuilt it, and then the new cooler that I bought didn't fit in it, so I had to tear it all back apart and put it all in a new case.
You've also done classes on like custom cooling and stuff.
No, I haven't done any, but I mean, I can help you out with anything if you need help with anything.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing custom cooling, but I don't know if it's worth it for just a CPU.
I would. I just bought one of the all-in-one coolers that goes for the CPU, where it's already all put together. You just mount it up.
Yeah, I'm kind of starting to wonder if a custom loop is probably viable for a 12th gen Intel or any of the newer processors.
Yeah, I'm not sure. We talk about that a little bit later though, for sure. But yeah, so like I was saying, the plugins here, you just go to the plugins and they have the Stream Deck is amazing. They have plugins for all kinds of stuff. So like if you you can even get into where you can control your lights in your house. If you have like the Philips Hue lights, if you have the Philips Hue lights that connect to like your Wi-Fi, so that you can like dim them down and like turn them on and off and stuff. They have.
Oh, you could even like change. You could even like fuck with your PC RGB with the Stream Deck.
Yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff on here. It's got tons of stuff. Like they have like crypto trackers. They've got, I mean, the list goes on and on and on for everything. There's stuff for Discord. There's stuff for Streamlabs. There's stuff for OBS. There's stuff for Stream Elements.
What about Razer Synapse?
What about what?
What about what about the Razer app?
The what app? Sorry.
What about the Razer app?
Oh, I don't know anything about I don't have anything that's Razer. I don't even have that one. But essentially you can come
about something. Yeah.
Yeah, but like I said, you can come in here and you can download all, like I said, all the plugins you want. But I use these ones are the main ones that I use for my Stream Deck. So the Twitch tools, the OBS tools, the Soundpad, and the Windows tools from Bar Raider.
Yeah, I got the Windows tools and the Sound one, Twitch, OBS one, and the Spotify one, all from Bar Raider.
Yeah, and so like if you like, they actually just added some new stuff in the regular OBS one, so it's not as necessary to use now. Before, if you wanted any of the cool tools, you had to use this one, because they offer just so much more. But the regular OBS one, they when it updated, they brought some more new stuff in, so I've just kind of been hanging out here. But essentially, for going through and doing your scene switches, I have mine set up because I use a different way for my transitions. I actually have a scene set up for my transitions, so I change my page to the scene for transition, and then I have it change me to my actual scene. So if you look at all mine, they're in a multi-layer action. So it'll say that it's going to switch me to my transition scene. It's going to wait 8 seconds for my transition to play, and then it's going to switch me to my just chatting screen. But if you have your transition set up as a stinger, you don't need to do this. So the normal way to do it would just be to come over here. You get your scene switch, drop it in. It's going to connect to OBS. Obviously, you have to make sure OBS is open. You pick whatever scene that you want it to be, whatever scene you want to switch to. So if I wanted to switch to my starting scene, I would click that and then click off of it. You can label it whatever you want. If you wanted to say starting or whatever, you can change the pictures. So you can hit the plus button in the corner and you can literally change the picture to anything you want. Or if you hit this side, you can go set from file and you can actually take a custom, like if you're good at like graphics, you can make your own custom logos. Or they also have in the plugins where you can get icon kits. So you can come in here to the icons and say you want like a Legion setup, or if you want, this one's for Valhalla, and it makes it gives you just different icon so you can get them all to look like they're from Valhalla. See how they all have like the little circle and like the blue background,
Hmm.
and they're
Yeah,
all
I noticed
custom
there's
and
a
they're
little app
free.
store for
Yep.
logos. That's pretty cool. Now I've got a
Yeah.
lot of my transition set up. I think the ones that I want the most would probably be the Twitch integration ones right now. Just to
Okay. So Twitch
incorporate my
integration.
chat a
Yeah,
little more. Hmm.
definitely. So
So
I use a couple of these that are a lot different too. Let me get to. Okay, this is like mostly Twitch integration. So this one is a clip button. So what this does, you can pull this one. I use this one out of the bar rater. I think they just added it here when I was looking the other day. Yeah, so they have the create a clip, but I prefer the bar rater tools for this one because what it does is it actually posts it into your chat. So if you get this create a clip right here and you drop it
mhm.
over here, you can actually, the nice thing about this is you just type your channel name in here and what you want it to say when you grab the clip. So you can say beast mode or like check this out, or you literally make it say whatever you want. And then when you press the button, it's going to grab the last 30 seconds that was streamed to your stream, and then it's going to post it into your chat as well. So all your chat can click on it and go check it out again if they want to.
That's
But the
cool.
really
Let me
cool
download
feature,
that one.
yeah, the really cool feature that this is good for is I can actually go to any of my friends' chats. So anybody that's live, or I can go to their chat, and as long as I have, as long as they don't have links blocked, I can just press their picture, and it'll grab the last 30 seconds of their stream, and it'll clip it, and it'll post it in their chat. So like my buddy Captain, if he's streaming, I just put his name here, and then all I got to do is I press the button on my stream deck, it'll clip his last 30 seconds, and it's gonna post it to him. So you can grab clips from your friends' channels like that, super quick.
That's dope. Yeah. That way you could be quick with the support. I like that.
Yep, yep. And then also,
It'd be nice if you could do it generically for everybody. Is there a tool for that or no?
well, so you can't do it for everybody because it has to know which channel you're looking at. So like, I don't even have to be watching. Like he could be streaming right now. He could be in chat with us, and if he's in voice chat and he like hits a sick shot, I have to know like the delay on his stream, so I know if I wait 10 seconds, it's gonna be on Twitch, and then it's gonna clip the last 30 seconds. So if I wait 10 seconds and then I hit the button, it'll grab the last 30 seconds and it'll post it. I don't even have to have his stream open. Because if you had it set up for generically, then you would have to have like the window selected, right? And then it would have to be able to like navigate its way in. So just for like ease of programming, you have to tell it which channel.
Okay.
But then I also have this one. This is a shout out command. So if I press the shout out button, it's actually going to tell you who's in my stream. So these people are in my stream right now, and I'm not even streaming. So like they're probably just bots. But essentially, I could click on their picture, and it would shout them out in my chat.
Let's see how fast it is. I'm about to go to yours.
Yeah, it's a little delayed. You have to chat in it, and then so if you go to my Twitch, because it's attached to my Twitch, not the YouTube, go to the Twitch and chat, and let me know when you chat because I don't have it open anywhere, and I'll give it a minute, and then I'll be able to pull you up. It's not like I said, it's not instantaneous, but because it has to update, but it's in there pretty decently quick.
How do you get that
And
one? I think that would be useful.
that's in the same section of the bar rater tools. It's right here. It's under shout out. You just drag it over, and it's the same concept. You can literally put anybody's name in the channel. So I put mine for my channel, but all of the channels that I mod for, I can put their name here. So like if I wanted to do it for SBs, I could do SB __ 1987, and then click off of it. And then now, if I press this button, it's gonna tell me everybody that's in SB's chat right now. I can literally go shout out all these people in SB's chat right now if his chat was on.
That's cool. I like that. I was
Yeah,
wondering how
it's
some people do it so quick. I think it's definitely got to be a stream deck.
yep, yeah. And then there's also another program you can use. I don't know much about it because I do know somebody that uses it. There's a bot called Mix It Up, I think is what it is, and it actually has a setting in there to where you can have it shout out on first chat. So when somebody hops in your channel and they chat, it'll immediately shout them out if it's their first chat.
Yeah, I've seen people do that, and sometimes when they have that, first time chatter, it pops up kind of like, I know this is probably just graphical preferences, but it like a iPhone message. I'd like to establish that on my like my Twitch That'd be
Okay,
cool.
I don't know
Just
about the iPhone message portion, but Twitch just did integrate where you can now select like if it shows first time chatters, like how it shows them.
Mhm.
Let me pull that up real quick and show you. So let's see if you were in my chat yet. So if I hit the shout out button, and then nope, I don't see you in there yet. But
I'm still in there, but it might show up later.
yeah, like I said, it takes a couple minutes. But I also have a timeout hammer. So this one will time you out. This one will time you back in because I have a channel point reward to time somebody out for 5 minutes. So if I time you out, it'll automatically time you back in 5 minutes, or I can time you back in whenever I feel like it. And this is a ban hammer, so I can click on this, and I can go ban these bots out of my channel right now. So I can click the button, and all three of them just got banned. And then like this one, this isn't a Twitch one, but I have it set up to where it'll post in all the discords that I'm in. So I can post with the press of one button, I can post to all these discords that I'm going live. And this is
oh, that's dope.
yeah, so like if you look at here's this Discord and it's under the self promo channel, and then it's gonna switch to that chat. It's gonna switch to this channel. It's gonna wait 3 seconds. It's gonna type, "Hey, I'm building a community. Come check me out on Twitch, Wicked Skill." It's gonna wait 2 seconds, and then it's gonna switch to the next channel. It's gonna go to the delay. It's gonna text. It's gonna delay. It's gonna pop to the next channel, and so it'll post to all the different Discords and they'll push the one button. And this is a
the
Twitter.
delay necessary?
Yeah, because if you don't put the delay, because it's not instantaneous, like it actually like types the message out. So when you have to switch to the channel, give it a second for it to register that it's on the channel, and then it'll start typing in the box automatically, and then it presses enter when it's done, and so you have to give it time for the text to come out, and then so you delay that before it switches to the next channel.
Okay.
And this is all in one of my videos as well. That's already on YouTube. If you want to go back, all this stuff that I'm covering is in my videos on YouTube. If you're trying to set all this stuff up, so you can go back and watch it over and over again. And it's like super detailed. Like click here, click there. You know, kind of do this, do that. And then I also have chat messages. So like my YouTube, I can shout out YouTube pages. I don't use this one too much anymore. ID, so I can do exclamation point ID, and it'll drop my my BattleNet, my Epic, and my Steam. I work on call once every 13 weeks, so I might be streaming on the weekend or at night, and I get a work call because I'm on call. So I have this set up so I can just press the button that says, "Hey, I'm on a work call. I'm on call this week. I'll be right back with you." And so it does so much. It's crazy. Like and I'm still learning new stuff over and over and over again. Like I'm still learning new things that you can do with this. And then so like I have these are to hide scenes, or to hide like, you know, what's on my screen. So like I play marbles, so I have the game Marbles loaded up, but I don't want everybody to see marbles when I'm playing another game. But then like say we pause that game, we go to play a game of marbles, I press this button and now you can see marbles. We play the game of marbles, I press it again, it goes away, and I go back to playing whatever game I was playing. And then like here's an ad button, so you can run ads. Like if you like to run ads on your own so that people don't get pre-rolls, you can set that up so it's here. This is a mute alerts for stream elements. So say somebody comes in and you get like 100 followers from like a raid, right? So somebody comes in, SB raids you with like 150 people, and you know 90 of them follow you right away. You can actually mute the alert so that it's not constant. Like they'll still play on your screen, but you won't hear the audio, right?
That's useful. Yeah.
I like or like, you know, if it happens like I raided Trippy earlier, and I raided him right in the middle of like a gunfight in custom Fortnite. And so like you could just easily click the button to mute it real quick, like if you need to, or like I said, if you just have an alert that plays a sound every single time, so that so you know everybody's not getting annoyed with the alert. And then also I have set up in here, so like this is for Discord. I can deafen Discord, mute Discord, so like you guys wouldn't be able to hear me. but stream still could. This is useful if you use Discord party chat while you're playing games. So while you're talking to stream, your teammates in Discord don't have to hear you. And then I use this page here. I actually have people that I know that are, so my buddy Captain's streaming right now. My buddy Papa Chris is streaming right now. I can click this button. It'll open up their page. And then it also tells me how many viewers they have and if they're live.
Oh, that's dope.
And then, yep. And you can set up as many of these as you want. And then I have, I don't have anything else on that one. I was using it for testing. But yeah, there's
Did you drag over their icons, or does it just kind of pull that in from?
No, this just pulls it in. So like I could put your channel in one of these. Yeah. So let's see. Let's copy this. Is your channel name the same as it is in here?
Yeah, exactly.
Boom.
That's so cool. That's quick.
Yeah. And you can set it to where you can show the channel name if you want to show it. So it puts it like right here at the bottom. Or you can take it off because it has the logo, so I didn't just see the names. But then you can also put like
preview.
Yeah.
How that would
look. Oh, hang on, let's see. Let's go user icon. Let's go to somebody who's streaming, and then go stream preview. And it takes a minute to load that because it has to pull directly whatever's on their screen. But it puts like a little video kind of what's on there.
That's wild.
It takes a lot though, like because it kind of takes a minute for it to buffer and load, so that's why I just went with the icon. But you can actually see he's playing Rocket League right now. Or you can do the game icon of whatever game he's titled into. So he's titled into Rocket League, so the Rocket League image should show up. This is a super handy feature if you are a big supporter and like you like to know like when your friends go live, because it updates and you can just go check it out. And you can also make it to where it plays a sound when they go live. Like it'll play a sound, so it'll just like ding or something.
It'll probably just play it on your PC, right? Because I don't think the Stream Deck has audio on it.
Yeah, it just plays it through your PC.
I need this feature because I miss like certain notifications from Twitch. I don't know how I have my noties set up, but they don't really come through on my phone or
Yeah, definitely. It's super, super, super nice to use. And like I said, all this stuff, if you need like step-by-steps on any of this stuff, you can always DM me. My DMs are always open. If somebody needs help, I'll get in a voice chat with you. You can share your screen. I'll walk you through it. And like I said, my YouTube page itself has like really like in-depth detail videos, like walkthroughs on how to do all this stuff. I even go over like how to have the shout outs so it plays somebody's video. When you shout them out, it'll play like their previous clip. I've got stuff on, like I said, the loyalty stuff. I've got Stream Deck stuff. I have more other Stream Elements stuff, like from the chatbot commands to overlays to having a chat overlay on your screen. I've got a full OBS walkthrough from start to finish. I have a video that tells you how to separate your audio so you can play music or whatever you want, and it doesn't record, so it doesn't get put in your VOD. So I've got tons and tons, and I'm constantly making new stuff. I just made a video a couple days ago on how to make a link tree, so you can have a one-stop shop for all your social medias. That kind of cover a lot of what you were looking for in the Stream Deck, though.
Yeah, definitely. And then now knowing that you have a lot of the tools on your actual YouTube, I could just sit there and kind of like actually incorporate them into my Stream Deck. So I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, not a problem. Like I said, if you ever need anything, I mean, I'm in the Discord here. You can just straight DM me here. You can put a comment on the YouTube if you want to see something in particular. I check all the comments every time I get one. And like that's where the Linktree video I made was because somebody asked me to make one about it. So I made one the next day, got it all set up, and because I had some free time.
And where everybody go?
I don't know. Everybody be in and out dipping. Is there anything else you guys you guys want to check out today? Anything else you guys want to look over, cover over?
And it comes to mind right now. Let me see.
Yeah, like I said, I was gonna do more of like a whole like a course, like start to finish on something, but I don't want to bore you guys with something you didn't need to know.
Did you have it like planned out to what you
Not
wanted to
not
go
not
over on your
completely.
course?
I was just gonna start with like a topic like stream elements, and just
Mhm.
start with like how to bring it in, how to add it to your channel, how to mod it, how to make chat commands, kind of like what I was covering at the beginning, but in more of like a full out like course. But like I said, there was only a couple of you in here, so I didn't want to go over. I mean, I figured I'd just go over what you guys want, other than what I mean, make it more beneficial to you guys.
Gotcha.
Yeah, no. If you guys don't, I mean, if you guys don't got anything else that you need covered right now, or if you don't have any other questions, we can just call it there. Like I said, it was a trial run, trial and error, first time try. So
Yeah, definitely. And I appreciate you letting me know we could hit you up. Gonna add you on the Discord here, and if I get any issues, definitely would be reaching out. I
uh,
appreciate that.
oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, anybody's welcome. Like I said, my stuff's all on the tech channel there too. Like, I kind of monitor the tech channel all the time, checking out to see if anybody's got any questions. So like I said, whatever anybody needs, I try to help out with. Like, yeah, well, thank you guys for coming in and hanging out for a little while. Hopefully, you guys got some help for you guys' streams out.
For sure. And now I know I can see some of the more tools that I'm about to really get into over here. Right now, me and Bella are actually setting up a Discord. So, wow, definitely would be
There's
dope to kind of get the basics of having.
Yeah, there's a video right there. I did an entire full set of video from starting the Discord, adding an image, putting a name on it, how to create channels, how to set up roles, how to let people assign roles automatically, how to filter out channels and stuff. I just put that up a couple weeks ago.
Cool. Definitely check it out.
Yep, yeah, for sure, for sure. And it covers like how to add like a YouTube bot to the channel so you can listen to music in your voice chats. It covers like tons and tons of stuff, isn't there? And I mean, it's like 20 minutes, I think, or 18 minutes long, something like that. But yeah, it's all packed full of just like full setup of a Discord start to finish of like the basic stuff you need. Yeah,
Yes,
no, all right.
right here.
I have something else I want to talk about.
Yeah,
Um, what was the name of that daggone app? All right, so Mixer Upper. What is that like? Look, I don't know what I'm doing.
you talking about the mix it up?
Yes. Do you know how that works or anything like that? Like, all right, so you know how Sage makes certain commands for SB or whatever, like the raccoon and the wig and stuff like that. Those are what I'm talking about when you see the I love chat.
Oh, you
I'm
just how when they
struggling with
pop up in
those type of
chat.
things. Yeah, those things is what I'm struggling with because every time I go, all right, so Death, he sent me a link last time for like the pictures or whatever, and when you copy and paste it, it does not line up. It doesn't stay where it's supposed to stay. And I'm just
Yeah,
having a
I
really
haven't
hard time.
I haven't personally set one of those up, but I can definitely look into it and get back to you.
Okay, cool. So I mean, but you're not familiar with the Mixer Upper app. I might have
No,
to just pull
I don't
some Sage
use
to the
it.
side.
Yeah, I don't use it. I know somebody else that does. But I haven't gone into it and actually messed with it.
All right, cool, cool.
Yeah,
All
I
right,
know, but I can definitely look
and
into it
then
for you and try and see if I can figure it out for you.
yes, please, because I'm struggling trying to, because I really want to upgrade my stream to certain things, like different things, and make it more entertaining and live instead of, I feel like it's boring right now.
Oh yeah, for
So
sure, for sure.
now, all right, so my other thing is like, all right, so for instance, Garbage is live, right? And when
Okay.
you go in his channel points, right, and you see he has certain things, I want to know how he set that up. Like, how does he have those channel points? Because when I try to do it from creator dashboard, it's like I don't know where, like I just get lost. I get
Yeah,
confused.
let me pull up Garbage's stream real quick.
All right, let me show you. I don't have points.
Do you
Where's
mean like
Garbage at?
when
I
he
just
has like
used all my
the
damn points.
pump it up situation, his whole screen change? Is that what you mean?
So you're talking about in the channel points, which one are you talking about?
Um, let me see. Let me pull them back up again.
You hear me still?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
I'm
get
still
you.
here. You want? All right, so let me see.
I'm on an ad at the moment, so you have to give me a second. I'm gonna probably pull. I don't want to have this video playing on. It's not mine. I
I
don't
know
play
he
on
has like
YouTube.
certain settings, like when he changes his camera, but he made it a channel point. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
how does
So
he
like his
get
pump
his
it up one.
right? His pump it up one is a channel point, but he has. I know it's pretty more thorough than just that, but
Let me
it's
see.
hard
Where's
to
Pump It
it's
Up
hard to
at?
explain.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it on there so I can play it, so I can see exactly what it does.
Okay, how
I
about
haven't
this? How
spent a
about this
lot
one?
of time on his channel, but
Strippy flow. That one you hit. I just did this one. So when you hit the strippy flow or whatever, it pulls up the image. Okay, remember how you were showing me the image that you set up with the certain things? All right, so what I'm trying to figure out is, okay, if I set it up like how you told me earlier, how do I make that a channel point? Because when you do his channel point strippy flow, it pulls up a rat and it shows Trippy's face and it sings like a song or something. Is that the same way? Like,
yeah, give me just a second. Let me get the Trippy so I can see.
I feel like
I don't.
I hope I'm asking the right questions the right way.
No, no,
Cause
no.
Can't you do that
I
also
think
in
I understand
Isaiah
what you're looking for. I just want to
Creations?
see. What was that?
Can't you do that in Isaiah Creations as well, Bella? I know you use that for like
actually stopped using that.
Is
Let me
Trippy
why?
not live
see.
anymore?
No,
No,
he's
he's on
rated the
Twitch,
garbage.
TikTok.
They are they. Mind my business.
Going to Trippy's right now. Let's see here. Go to Trippy's chat.
And then there was one more thing, but we'll do one thing at a time. I just don't
Oh
want to
yeah.
forget.
Oh yeah. No, no, you're good. So rat. You're saying the one that says the rat, right?
Right on garbage's chat, it says strippy flow.
Oh, and garbage chat. Okay, let's go here.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was in. I thought it was in
Well,
Trippy's chat.
Trippy has that one too, where he brings up the same thing. And then he's got multiple different kinds of channel points because I feel like my channel points are boring. I wanna have something live like this. You know what I'm saying? Like he has one that pulls up another streamer. I can't remember his name. But it says it's broken and it pulls up his like clip. Not a
Oh yeah.
clip,
Let's
but like a
see.
clip of that. Right.
I'll play that one real quick so I can see it.
All right. And then there's one that says "Give me a kiss," stuff like that. But it pulls it up on his stream.
Yeah, I see
See, I
that
can't
there.
play it right now.
Yeah, I
See,
just.
there it is.
Yep, I just played it. Let's see if I can. I
Right. So
haven't.
how the hell did he make that a channel point? Is what I'm asking.
I'm not sure on that
Like
one,
I
honestly.
know
That's.
I know how you set it. Well, I hope that the way that you showed me how to set it up through Stream Elements, I'm hoping maybe that there's a way to connect it to the channel points that way. But you see what I'm getting? Like this
Yeah,
stuff is
I'm
fucking.
assuming. I'm assuming he probably uses an extra website because you can't really set it up in the channel point section. I don't think. I'm trying to get to mine real
You
quick
have
so
to
I can
do
see
that
the
for Isaiah
add a new
Creations.
custom reward.
Okay, I'm looking.
Here, let me send you the
Let
link
me,
if you don't
let me
use it
share
no
my
I
screen
more.
real
have
quick.
it.
Share my screen
I
back
still have it
here.
saved.
There you go. I see what you're saying now.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to like. I want custom like channel points like that, and then there's certain commands that you can do as well. Like for instance, there was another streamer that had a command that you put in like a person's name and it brings up a sound for them with a clip or something. I know that I can
Yeah,
do
so you
that.
can
I
do
think that's
that.
what
You
you
can do
showed
that
me
through the one.
earlier.
Yep, yeah.
Okay.
And it'll play a sound and it'll do. You can put like a clip or whatever you want. Yeah. The one that he's using there, I'm assuming is through a website because that's how you would do that's how you add your sound alerts too, is like through sound alerts. So if you go
Mhm.
into the sound alerts actual page, I'm assuming there's probably another page like this, but it's not for
Mhm.
sounds. It's for what he's using it for. So I'd have to look around and see if I can find like what that is because I've never actually I didn't even notice that before that's on there. So
So
I'll
the
check
last
that
time
out
I
too.
asked him, The last time I asked him, because I did ask him, I said, "How the hell do you do that?" And he said, "Mixer upper."
Okay. So yeah, that's what I said. The mixer upper has a lot of stuff. I haven't looked into it, so maybe I'll look into that this weekend and see what I can find.
Mixer, maybe yours looks different than mine because mine's so simple. I don't know this. It's so confusing.
Yeah, I don't. I've never even like opened it, so I don't even have it installed or nothing. Somebody had told
Mhm.
me about it, and I just had never gotten around to checking it out.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'll definitely look into that and see if I can get back to you on that.
All right. Cool. Cool. And then one more thing. I'm being worse today. Sorry.
Oh no, you're good.
Um. Let me see. My business. Let me see. What was I doing? Give me 1 second. Okay, so when I do my once again we're back to stream elements.
Okay.
So some of my commands are not working because I set it up how they have it, like when they have the command variables and stuff. All right, so for instance, the slap one that I have, I'm gonna share my screen.
All right.
1 second, let me get over here.
Oh, hang on a second.
See my
It
screen?
just showed up for me. I'm pulling it up right now.
Wait, this is not the tab that I wanted. Okay, here we go. What, Warzone? I know. All right, so when I go to the Warzone, right? All right, so this part works out good, right?
Hang on,
Let me go
hang on a
here.
second.
Let me show you.
It's loading for me. Give me a second.
Is it being? Let me close all these tabs.
Yeah, it's like freaking out here. I can hear, but I can't see anything yet. Let me turn mine off. See if it helps.
I'll be right back, Papa.
You may have to stop sharing and reshare.
Yeah, I'm gonna reshare it a different way. Let me see. There you go.
Okay. Yep, I see it now.
Okay, so all right, so we're gonna go here, right? I have the eye slap, right? So I'm trying to have it where it pulls up instead of having a specific thing each time you do it. It pulls up like see how it looks? Like why the does it look like this?
So go.
See, it says Senator, but see, okay, so what I'm saying is, all right, so it'll say such and such just slapped the living hell out of such and such with a hairbrush, or a a flip flop, or it'd be something random. So it told me to put this link in, right? But look how it's popping up when you do it.
Yeah. Let's see here. So just so
But do
go
you
back
get
to your
what?
chat real quick so I can see it. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's just a broken. So sometimes you have to be careful because like sometimes these are built for like Stream Labs, and if it's
Mm-hmm.
built for Stream Labs, the coding is different than for Stream Elements. Or if it's built for
Right.
MooBot, the variables are going to be different. So you have to see. It's more or less just kind of playing with the variable. Like whatever they made it has to be able to be pulled from Stream Elements if it's for Streamlabs. But then
Mm-hmm.
you got to make sure that like so some of them use the brackets, some of them use the bracket with like the little like the it's the like shift with the bracket. um so like depending on
So
like so
you
it depends on which bot you're under essentially.
so you have to basically create your own um create your own thing. But I just you see where I'm getting stuck at? It's like I don't know where
Yeah,
I'm supposed to like.
this, yeah, you're getting into some like really like advanced stuff. This is like where it comes into being like coding and stuff like that. Let me find the one you were just looking at. Link to
Um,
api.com.
well, it didn't look like that at first. So let me do where I got the original one. Um, 1 second. Let me go here because he has it set up to how I want it because it's random with his. Um, so it'll say
Oh, he got a sub in my channel today.
Oh, yeah, he did. He did actually. He was talking about it on the game. All right, see, Bella just slapped blank blank with mom's flip flop. All right, so when I do his things like this, let's see.
Yeah, so if you
Commands.
grab
I'll go to his commands, right?
yep.
But see, it would be through Stream Elements, correct? Because that's
Yeah,
what's
yeah,
popping
yep.
up.
Yeah, so that's the right
Okay.
one.
All right, so when I go to his I slap part, right? You see how it says custom, but it doesn't show the actual
Yeah,
like
because you need to get that from that. You have to get that from the like where you set them up side.
the custom part. So let's say I
Yeah,
copy this, and then I'm just gonna delete this because it's basically the same thing. So what do you mean? Like this part needs to? I don't know. See where
yeah.
I'm
So
getting confused?
The custom API is a it looks like it links to like the ones that I'm looking at here. It looks like it links to like a website essentially. So that custom API, like you can't open a website with it, but it links to a website. So save it and see what happens when you play it. Because what it should do is it should link to the website and it should work for you too, essentially. If that's the full command. But like I said, you may have to go into it, like the owner side of the stream elements, to get the actual command. But that a lot of this is just
Mm,
being able to
it's
search
just
commands
so
and stuff.
thorough. Like, right? Like, why the fuck is it so thorough?
Well, because you're
Like,
linking a lot of
really?
extra stuff. Once you start, yeah, just hit your command, yeah. You're getting into like the really like the nitty gritty of
See, now it just shows the.
yeah. So let's see
How the
here.
hell do people know how to do this? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's the coding portion of it's like you're getting like into like the really like the deep end of setting it up.
Mhm. Yeah, I already figured out how to do the custom custom lettering and stuff like that. I figured that part out. I've been struggling with these
Let me
custom
see.
these commands. Okay, and then here's another one I wanted to tell you. So, and it'll bring oh wrong chat. It'll bring up a this thing. There's so much stuff I want to go over. I feel like I feel like I'm being needy today.
Oh no, you're good. You're good.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Oops, did I not save
So,
that?
no, he's probably like, why the fuck? All right, so there was another one. So this is what I'm talking about when you have them come in like this. Hold on. Papa should have came up.
Hmm.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I'll have to look into that one that you're trying to do right now. That like I said, I don't use anything that advanced on mine. I'm not familiar with how that works.
Yeah, it's
I,
there it goes. Something like that. You see how that pops up for me?
yeah. I knew what you were talking about there. As soon as you said it, like as soon as you said it,
Mm,
it was in the chat where it pops up. That one I think is
mm,
done through that mixer upper too. I think a lot of what you're looking for is through the mixer upper minus this portion of it. But this is, like I said, this is I don't have anything like this on mine either, so I'd have to look into that too. You're
I
like I
know
said,
I'm
you're getting into like
giving you a
you're getting into
challenge.
like the deep end. Yep.
Yeah, stuff that I don't really know about. 'Cause I'm new to this and stuff like that. So I have like
Mix
the
it up is
basic
so
commands, but who the heck?
Yeah, this is what I'm working into.
Oh,
That's like
hi.
this, like that's some like the stuff you're looking at with that. That's more the stuff I'm working into, but I'm still doing like all the
Yeah.
basic stuff. Like for like,
So
because
yeah.
what I've been catering to has been more of like the new stuff for people like
Mhm.
people that are like still like just barely trying to get started or just barely learning because it's
Mhm.
like it's super hard to find stuff at that time.
And there was another command as well, like the spam shout out, where you can do it all at once. Let me guess, that's also coding and stuff like that. Let me see what
Yeah,
it looks like.
yeah, and SBs when you hit it and it shouts them out like 10 times or whatever.
Yeah, I don't need it right this second, but like um so it only shows it one time.
Yep, yeah, that's all just in the coding of the variables. So you have to actually like
Um
find the like I said we can work on that offline and work on getting all that
yeah,
done.
Okay, yeah, you gotta be extra or whatever.
Yeah, we can get all that offline for sure though.
Okay, there was something else that I just had on my mind, but I can't remember what it was.
Shoot, what's up, Creamery? Sorry, I had a window up over my chat. I couldn't see it. And the delay on YouTube is crazy too. I don't know how anybody streams on YouTube. This delay is bad crazy.
Oh no. There was something else. What was it? Shit.
If you come back with it too, you can always DM me. Yeah, you can always shoot me a DM if you come back with it.
Okay.
Oh shoot. All right, well, I think we'll go ahead and call it there then. And like I said, if you have any of that stuff that you're trying to figure out afterwards, just DM me on the side. If you want to shoot me over all that stuff you were just talking about, just DM me on the side. And then as I get it all set for you, I can DM me back with the info.
All right, bet. Thank you.
Yeah, not a problem. I'll catch you guys all later on stream. Thank you guys for tuning in. Much appreciated.